everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about how to create a custom menu in Oracle MSCA. Before creating a menu, there is a prerequisite. You should have a function created where you can attach the menu. I will give the link to the slide in this slide how to create a function. So here I have given the screenshot of the function which I have already created before. Just one small note, the user function name column which you see, right, the value which you see in there will be used as a function name while creating the menu. So just keep in mind. Now, in order to create a menu, first of all, you need to have a system administrator role for e-business suite instance. So here I have system administrator role. So log into your e-business suite, go to the responsibility system administrator, and here you'll be able to see under application option called as menu. Click on the menu. JNLP file would get downloaded. So open that file. You'll be asked, you'll get a notification on the e-business suite. Just click on the run button, and here you'll get the menu wizard open. If not, you can also go to the navigator option, click on the menu, and then once you click on the menu, you just slide it to the right hand side and click on open. Now your menu window has opened. Here I want to attach the menu to one of my existing responsibility. So for example, I wanted the custom menu which I'm creating, right, it should be accessible from the warehouse operation responsibility. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to get the menu name for this particular responsibility, that is warehouse operations responsibility. So you have the menu name, or I would say the menu code, whatever you have it, right? So now what you need to do is you first click on F11. After clicking on F11, you can see that the options here, the menu and all these columns, right, they will get enabled. It will show you a light blue color something. So then you enter the existing responsibility code, whatever have received. So for warehouse operations, it is something like hyphen WMS hyphen operations. So for your responsibility, it will be different. You just check on this. After providing the entering the values here, click on control plus F11. So this will help you to view all the records for this particular responsibility. Okay, just a small note here, do not press enter button, and so make sure you press F11, then enter the responsibility and click on control F11. If you put enter buttons or you don't click F11, right, you will get an error like the menu is already existing and you won't be able to attach the menu. Okay, so here you can see the existing records which are available for this particular responsibility. You have records, I would say menu. So you have the inbound menu, and then I'm going to create this test menu for myself. So here, in order to create a menu, you have this plus symbol here. You can add a new record here by clicking on this icon. Once you have entered a new record, you need to enter the sequence. So sequence is the sec value, right? Here this is a sequence in which you want your menu to be shown when you log in through your responsibility. So I have one like the inbound one, which is at the sequence 6, and I want it to be available, my text menu, after it. So I have mentioned the sequence as 6. You can mention any sequence like 10. You can have gaps as well in this, no issues, but just for ordering purpose, make sure that whatever you want to be in the starting, you keep a lower sequence for this. So after here I need to give a prompt. Anything you can provide, I've given test menu here. Then I need to provide the function name here. So I'll function name, I spoke in the starting slide. The prerequisite is the function name which you would have created in your previous steps, right? And you take the function name is the user function name, okay, that you need to note. Provide that name here. I'll attach the slide for that as well, how to create a function. So once you have entered these values, you just click on the save button, this yellow button, your menu will be saved. Once the menu is saved, you will get a pop-up like this. You will get a request ID. Okay, so if you have got a request ID, means it has got submitted properly. If there are some errors, you will get it at the bottom here. You will see some errors, or if not, you will get a success message like record has been saved. So if it is success, then what you can do is you can log in with your responsibility to your OMA client. For how to install an OMA client, I have mentioned, I have a slide for that as well, so just go through it. So depending on the responsibilities which you have, if you have one or multiple responsibilities, you log in to your OMA client. Now I have attached this menu in my warehouse operation responsibility. So I have logged in my OMA, and I have selected warehouse operations. If you have only one responsibility, you will be able to directly see the responsibility here. If you have multiple responsibilities, you need to come and select the responsibility with which you want to view the menu. Okay, so I have opened, logged in with to OMA with my warehouse operation responsibility. Now I can see my test menu created here. And if you remember, I had given the sequence that it should be below the inbound menu right now. So yeah, that's all how to create a test menu. Thanks for watching.